Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to install gaming service on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So firstly you just need to go to your start or search window and type run and open run app. Also you can press Windows and R button together from your keyboard to open run. So press Windows and R button. After that, you just need to type one command which is help you to reset the Windows Store cache. For that, you just need to type wsreset.exe. Okay. After that, press enter. Now it will take some time to clear your store cache. So after done, you just need to close this window. Now you just need to go to your go to your start menu and open PowerShell. Right click on Windows PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. Once it will open Windows PowerShell, you just need to copy one command from my video description, which will help you to remove if you have already installed gaming services on your PC. Then it will remove the gaming service. First of all, copy and paste this command to your PowerShell, and after that press enter. Now what you have to do, you just need to put the second command which I'll give you on my video description. After that, it will open gaming services. So click on get option, and after that it will download and install on your PC. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.